Welcome to another RCM Level 3 Clapback video. This example is Review Test number 2. This example is in a 4/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times, then you can clap it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and clap that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 in the RCM Level 3 4-star Sight Reading and Ear Test book. Thank you.